Hey guys, are you interested in getting free Grindr Extra or Grindr Premium, whatever it's called? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do it. So we go to buy our Grindr and we have the option to get it with developer activation, which bypasses the need to pay. So I'm going to activate it, and as you're going to see in a moment, bang, I got free Grindr Extra. Premium features unlocked, including 600 plus profiles in the grid, no banner ads, can see who views me. I got unlimited blocks, explore mode, allowing me to search for people who are not in my country, filter by tribe, view people who only have photos, no ads, pictures I send can expire if you want that anonymous life, and you can also do read receipts. So there's a lot of cool stuff that a lot of people probably don't know is in the paid Grindr, but it's there. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this because obviously a lot of people do not know. So what you need to do is go to your browser and download the mod from this website, which is called hexmods.com. So just come over here and type in the name of the app, and then press on it and press the download button. So before it downloads, there is going to be one more step, which is the verification. So what this means is basically you have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. They're 100% free, and they're also from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just want to download some of these apps. You do not have to download all of them, but you can see like Underdog says down run for 30 seconds. So I could do that one. Or I could do like Travel Town says reach level 9. So yeah, you just download some of these. I'll see you later, but that's how to do it, guys. Just make sure you download 2 of them, and like the games aren't that bad. You can see like reach level 9. It doesn't take that long. But if you really are not in the mood for a game, you can just do like TikTok where it says down and run for 30 seconds. There's also a video to watch, so if you're really lost, that could help you out.